Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Joby here. Today's video guys is going to be undecorate with me. We are going to take down all the Christmas decorations in our house guys. So yes, let's get started. Let's do it. Hello guys, good morning. So what I'm going to do is to take down all our Christmas decors as the Three Kings is over. Yes, so we normally take down our Christmas decorations guys after the Three Kings day. So guys, ito yung bag guys kung saan ko itago yung or ilagay yung Christmas tree natin and some other ornaments. So I have not plastic bins guys, so I'm going to use these Amazon carton guys. Yes, to put all the ornaments guys. Okay, so let's get started. But I'm going to include also guys the Christmas light. So guys, let's remove the Christmas light.
You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still can't fill the void.
I hope you like the music guys. The music that I am using is from Epidemic Sound. So if you want to check it out guys, just go to epidemicsound.com and you can choose the music, all the music that you want. Yes.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. To become a better man, sinking in the sand. Oh. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Guys, our magic log and Santa, yes, we're going to bring up all of those, and I'm going to find also the box guys for my nativity. Yes, I didn't show you guys my nativity, right? Okay guys, so let's move on to our dining. we are going to take down the Merry Christmas sign and also the wreath on the door and the mistletoe. To those who are new, let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Joby. I'm a mom of two beautiful girls. I upload videos like cleaning motivation, cooking, mommy vlogs, and lifestyle. I hope you can find helpful and motivating my videos, guys.
Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night. That will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. Sometimes it feels like you just wanna run. It's easier than facing your own doubts, but it will catch you no matter how far you go. It haunts you every night. I tried so hard to forget what we had, but then something reminds me of you. Do you remember the necklace you gave me? I wear it every day. And I know it's been a long time since we were together, but there's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly.
And now it's time to take down the garlands of our staircase, guys.
If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms.
So there are a lot of leaves, guys, on the steps of our staircase. So it's time to vacuum all these things.
I'd fly.
watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.